Before the video starts, I have a small request. I've launched a second channel called Tour Encyclopedia, where we explore the most fascinating and beautiful places around the world. If you're interested in travel, make sure to check it out and subscribe. The link is in the description below this video. And now, let's dive into the main episode. We present a list of military equipment currently produced in France. Armored vehicles and military cars. Leclerc XLR, modernized main battle tank. Leclerc Tropicalize, export main battle tank. VBCI, infantry fighting vehicle. VBCI-2, export infantry fighting vehicle. EBRC Jaguar, armored reconnaissance and combat vehicle. VBMR Griffin, multi-purpose armored personnel carrier. VBMR El Serval, multi-role armored personnel carrier. VAB Mk3, armored personnel carrier. VAB Ultima, modernized VAB. VAB Asayan, sanitary version. VAB Echelon, command post. Arquus Sherpa Light, light armored vehicles. Arquus Sherpa APC, export light armored vehicles. Arquus Sherpa Scout, reconnaissance, surveillance, and patrol vehicle. Sherpa Special Forces, all-terrain light attack vehicle. Arquus Bastion, export armored personnel carrier. Arquus Fortress Mk2, armored personnel carrier. VLFS, all-terrain light vehicle. VLTP-NP, utility vehicle. ACMAT VLRA-2, light tactical vehicle. ACMAT ALTV, light tactical vehicle. Aravis, mine-resistant ambush protected vehicle. Arquus Trapper VT-4, military personnel carrier. Arquus Scaraby, hybrid combat vehicle. Arquus Dagger, light armored vehicle. ACMAT Bastion Patzes, Special Forces Operations Protected Vehicle. Higard, mine-resistant ambush protected vehicle. Fardier Rider, all-terrain airdroppable vehicle. Aviation and UAVs. Dassault Rafale B/C/M, multi-role and carrier-based fighters. Dassault Neuron, stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle. VSR 700, unmanned reconnaissance helicopter. Safran Patroller, medium altitude long endurance unmanned aerial vehicle. Naval Group Aliaka, vertical takeoff and landing unmanned aerial vehicle. Thales Spy Ranger, mini surveillance and reconnaissance unmanned aerial vehicle. Nova Dem NX-70, micro reconnaissance unmanned aerial vehicle. Airbus A400M Atlas, military transport aircraft. Airbus A330 MRTT, aerial refueling tanker aircraft. Airbus A330, military transport aircraft. Dassault Falcon 8X, reconnaissance aircraft. Dassault Falcon 2000 LXS, VIP/reconnaissance aircraft. Dassault Falcon 900, reconnaissance aircraft. Cicada TBM, utility light aircraft. Eurocopter Tiger HAP/UHT, attack helicopter. NH Industries NH90TTH/NFH, medium utility military helicopter. Airbus H225M Caracal, long-range tactical transport military helicopter. Airbus H215/H125M Fennec, light utility military helicopter. Airbus H155, utility helicopter. Airbus H145, light utility helicopter. Airbus H135, light utility helicopter. Airbus H215 Super Puma, medium utility helicopter. Airbus H160 Gepard, medium utility helicopter. Airbus H175, super medium utility helicopter. Navy. Charles de Gaulle, aircraft carrier. Mistral class, landing helicopter dock. Suffren class, nuclear-powered attack submarines. Triumphant class, ballistic missile submarines. Frem Aquitaine class, frigate. Alsace class, Frem frigate variant with air defense. Horizon class, air defense destroyer. Lafayette class, general purpose frigate. Naval Group FDI NH class, frigate. Gown class, design is a family of steel monohull frigates, corvettes, and offshore patrol vessels. FS Lore class, offshore support and assistance vessels. FS Jacques Chevalier class, fleet tanker. EDR, roll-on/roll-off catamaran landing craft. Patrouilleur Outre-mer, offshore patrol vessel. SLAMF, unmanned mine warfare system. D'Entrecasteaux class, oceanic patrol ship. Confiance class, patrol vessel. Offries class, diving support vessel. Scorpion class, export diesel-electric attack submarine. Missiles and artillery. Caesar 6x6, 155mm self-propelled howitzer. Caesar 8x8, 155mm self-propelled howitzer. LG-1 Mk3, 105mm towed artillery. M270 MLRS, multiple launch rocket system, under license. LRU, French version of M270. Mistral, multipurpose short-range air defense system. VL Mica, short-range air defense missile system. SAMP/T Mamba, medium-range/land surface-to-air system. Crotal NG, all-weather, short-range surface-to-air missile system. Aster 15, vertical launch surface-to-air missiles. Aster 30, vertical launch surface-to-air missiles. Exocet MM40 Block 3, anti-ship missile, ship-launched version. Exocet AM39, anti-ship missile, air-launched version. MDCN, naval cruise missile. ASMPA, nuclear-armed air-launched cruise missile. Scalpy G/Storm Shadow, long-range air-launched cruise missile. ASM Hammer, all-weather, smart air-to-surface standoff weapon. 68mm SNEB, unguided air-to-surface rocket. 20mm Nexter M621, gun pod. 30mm Nexter 30M791, revolver cannon for Rafale. Nexter 120mm, tank smoothbore gun. Nexter 25mm M811, single or dual-fed autocannon. 40mm CTA, autocannon for Jaguar. Nexter 20F2, naval autocannon. Nexter Narwhal 20mm, remotely operated naval artillery turret. Nexter Rapid Fire 40mm CIWS, naval gun system. MMP/Acheron MP, anti-tank guided missile. Acheron LP, most advanced 5th generation long-range multi-role guided missile. Hot ATGM, 2nd generation long-range anti-tank guided missile system. Small arms and soldier systems. FRF-2, sniper rifle. PGM Hecate-2, heavy sniper rifle and anti-material rifle. PGM Ultima Ratio, sniper rifle. FN Minimi, light machine gun. FNMAG-58, General Purpose Machine Gun. Phelan, Infantry Combat System. Space, Electronics, and Radars. Thales GM200, Medium Range AESA 3D Radar. Thales GM400, Mobile Long Range Radar System. Seafire, Full Digital 4D AESA Multifunction Radar for Frigates. Groundmaster 60, Short Range, Battlefield Multi-Mission Primary Surveillance Radar. Thales BRA 550, Ground and Coast Surveillance Radar. Syracuse 4, Military Communications Satellite. Ceres, Electronic Surveillance Satellite. CSO, Military Reconnaissance Satellite. MUSES, Space-Based Imaging System for Surveillance, Reconnaissance, and Observation. Ariane 6, Military Launch Vehicle. Thales Top Owl, Helmet-Mounted Sight and Display. Thales Scorpion, Head-Mounted Display for Helicopter, Aircraft, and Fighter Missions. SIR, the Regimental Information System. Thales Contact, Radio Communications. Thales Skyview C2, Complete Command and Control System. Thales Damocles, Third Generation Targeting Pod. Thales Talios, Targeting Long Range Identification Optronic System Pod. Aerios, Airborne Observation and Reconnaissance System Pod. Spectra, Fully Internal Electronic Warfare System. Captus 4, Towed Array Sonar. King Clip, Hull-Mounted Sonars. Barracuda, Sonar Systems for Barracuda-class submarines. Thank you for watching.